welcome to Shreyas Reddy. Hi Shreyas, how are you doing?
Hi, sir. Thanks a lot for having me here. I'm doing super good. All thanks to you.
So
I'm really excited.
Shreyas started a brand called Tinduda. Okay, in Telugu literally means come eat. Okay, I'm sure he'll tell you more about it. But achieving a fantastic turnover of 10 lakhs a month in less than 5 months is amazing for a person who's not from the food background. So let's hear about his journey, how he started off, and know more about his success. So, Shreyas, firstly, even before you come into a business, give me a quick brief about yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Sure, sir. So I'm Shreyas. I'm 23-year-old. I turned 24 yesterday. So I am a entrepreneur. I started as a student entrepreneur. I built businesses. I started building businesses since 19 years old. So food was always. I'm very passionate about food and food industry as well. At some point of time, I always wanted to start a food restaurant, get into food business and all, and I never thought I would do it this early. I thought I would have it at least about 10 years from whatever I thought, right? So that was the thing. And luckily, all this cloud kitchen wave happened. I was always interested in cloud kitchen. Luckily, I heard about you. I got enrolled, and it was a very good journey. It's been like 1 year, I would say, since I started following your course. I remember last birthday, I was talking to someone discussing about Kiran Bilgiri course. So that is something, sir. That is something. So I did a very good research, sir. Even after attending the course, I did like 4 months research at least before even applying for that food license, right? So this is what happened. So last November is the time when I actually enrolled in the course, started learning a lot more about how cloud kitchens function, what is the thing like, how to even manage your HR and all these things, right? So I was never into food. None of my family members are ever into food. This is the first time I myself got into food, and I never thought I would scale this up this far. So all thanks to you, sir.
Great. That is nice to hear. Two questions. First thing is, you also told me sometime back when we discussed that you have put up the place and your father is running the business.
Yes.
Uh, this is very uncommon. Is generally the fathers start the business for the sons to run. It's a totally turnaround here. So, how did this plan emerge?
So I'm already into something else. I have another company as well, as you know. So we are into a social media influencer space. That's a bigger company. We are based out of T Hub, Hyderabad. So all the marketing, all the brand building, all the sales, and all these things excite me like crazy. But food is not something which excites me. Like cooking, this is not my space, right? That is when I brought my father in. My father was also interested to join hands with me. And yeah, we are not just a father and son, we are partners as well now. So that is something, sir. That's the magic, what happened. Yeah.
Okay, great. Now tell me about the name. How did tell me about this Tin Duda? How did you zero in on this name and the concept? Something
Sure.
very different.
Sure. So basically, I'm a marketer, sir. I'm neck deep into marketing. So my core strength is youth and what they watch, right? Instagram, memes, all these short video platforms, and all these things, right? So that is I have a very good understanding of the market there, right? So that is how I wanted to leverage that strength, and that is the reason I wanted to build a brand there, right?
Okay.
Which connects to the youth, right? So memes were like stylish thing that back then, when I was starting the brand, right? So all these things actually happened, right? So I was planning something for the meme kind of a content which will go viral, and it literally happened as well. We are very strong on Instagram. Our whatever we are doing on Instagram, right, it goes like crazy. So this is what's happening here. So Tinduda literally means come eat, right? So we positioned the brand like a Telangana style brand, right? So I wanted to have this Telangana kind of a word, which also connects to youth, right? So that is the reason I came up with this word called Tinduda. Literally in cult language, it means come and eat in a very rough manner.
What's your menu focus actually?
Menu focus, we are a lot into Telangana style food, right? So biryani, mutton dalcha, vepudu are some of the bestseller items. What we usually cook at our place.
Okay.
So Telangana style is the main focus.
Okay. So, what is the size of your kitchen, and how much do you invest in putting up the business shares? If you can share some rough numbers.
So this happened in the second wave of lockdown, second wave of COVID. So I launched my restaurant in April, on 23rd of April, right? So this is when a lot of restaurants were actually shutting down because they were not able to sustain the lockdown wave. So this helped me a lot because I bought all the inventory and all the equipment, right, at a cheaper price, right? There were a lot of options available for me, and everybody was just ready to sell it off. So that is when I bought in all the equipment, and it costed me only 5 lakhs to actually set up the kitchen, right? It's a 250 SFT big kitchen, right? And we are a team of 7 employees, right? And we have like we function from 11 a.m. to 1 a.m. in the night. So this is
Oh,
what it is.
okay.
Yeah.
So you're continuously open.
Yes. No
Fantastic,
breaks.
fantastic. Can you tell me what are the challenges you faced while putting up this business?
Knowledge, sir. I never had, I didn't even know how food industry works. I didn't even know what food costing is. I didn't even know what, so I usually used to think, right? Let's say there is chai. Whenever I go to a chai point or whatever it is, right? I like me and my friends discuss something like, how much do you think this will cost them? Hardly 2 rupees. They're selling for 10 rupees. See, they are making 8 rupees straight away. This is easy when it is calculated, sir, but the pain is real. So in food business, it's a little underrated. So everybody thinks that there's a lot of like people just like that make a lot of money and all such things, but there is a proper math to be done, right? So there is you need to take care of the food costing, food wastage. You need to take care of lot of things, at least 10 other things. What is the what is the cost of whatever you're procuring from the vendors? Are they consistent? The quality, all these things. Even if the chicken price or rice price go up, you still have to maintain the same rates. So all these things, right, it's not a easy game, I would say. So it's not that easy how what other people's think, right? It's definitely a proper math in place. And if anybody don't know that, I wouldn't say to start
How
uh,
did you get your food right, Shreyas?
food, right? I did a lot of experiments, sir. I had a recipe in my mind. So I always thought of something like this, wherein I like some biryani, fried onions here and there, and all these things. What I usually prefer at my place, right? I replicated the same thing there, right? And we did a lot of experiments. Starting, it was very tough, I would say. I got shitty feedback in the initial phases. My family themselves ordered and told me on the face, this is not how it should be. Bolke. This happened. We did a lot of experiments for 10 days, 15 days, and all these things happened. And then we actually took a lot of feedback and built a strong product on top of it. So it's all feedback, I would say. It's all
Okay,
feedback.
okay. Can you tell me top three ways the course that you joined helped you?
Three ways. First is acquiring a lot of knowledge. Second is the community. So I made a lot of friends. I made a lot of friends in the who are in the same stage as me, right? So I'm just that back then I was just starting my cloud kitchen journey, and there were another 100 people who were doing the same thing. And the problems, we share a lot of problems, and we get a lot of answers and all these things. The third one is you, sir. I I have a very good mentor right now. So I in fact just signed a franchisee document today. We are opening a franchise next week in about 10-15 days.
Super.
And there is no way I could have done this. So we had a lot of calls. You connected me to a lot of consultants. You showed me a way how to do this, right? I'm very sure I would have done this. I wouldn't have done this if I didn't have you.
So growing forward, the growth plans are the franchise route to grow across the city to start with.
Right. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Fantastic. I think you even got featured recently on the DD News. So
Yes.
why don't you show us a clipping of it and let our other friends know how you were covered?
Sure, sir. Sure.
కరోనా మహమ్మారి ప్రపంచాన్ని వణికించిన మనుషుల జీవితాల్లో సరికొత్త ఆవిష్కరణలకు దోహదపడింది. ఇలాంటి కోవకే చెందుతుంది హైదరాబాద్ లోని పలు ప్రాంతాల్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్. దీనిపై మరిన్ని వివరాలు ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. కోవిడ్ తర్వాత వేగంగా కోలుకుంటున్న రంగం ఒక్క హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ మాత్రమే. ఇలాంటి రంగంలో రాణించాలంటే ఆర్థిక సమస్యలు ప్రధాన కారణం. ఇలాంటి వాటికి పరిష్కారం చూపింది క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్. హైదరాబాద్ లో పలు ప్రాంతాల్లో ఏర్పాటైన ఈ క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్ లో వెళ్లి మనకు తోచిన విధంగా మనమే వంట చేసుకోవచ్చు. అలాగే పెద్ద మొత్తంలో వండి ఆన్లైన్ డెలివరీలు పంపొచ్చు. ఇందుకోసం వంట చేయడానికి అన్ని అక్కడే సమకూరుస్తారు. బయటకు వెళ్లకుండా వంట సిద్ధం చేసి డెలివరీ ఇవ్వవచ్చు. ఇందుకోసం కొంత మొత్తంలో ఛార్జ్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ రంగంలోకి దిగే వారికి క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్ ఉత్తమ వేదికగా నిలుస్తోంది. తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో ఫుడ్ డెలివరీ ద్వారా యువత ఆర్థికంగా నిలదొక్కుంటున్నారు. కాగా తిందూదా అనే పేరుతో హైదరాబాద్ దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్ లో శ్రేయస్ రెడ్డి ఒక క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్ ఏర్పాటు చేసి ఎంతో మంది యువతకు ఆదర్శంగా నిలుస్తున్నారు.
దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్ లో తిందూదా తెలంగాణ కిచెన్ అన్న పేరుతో ఒక క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్ ప్రారంభించామన్నమాట. రీసెంట్ గా November 23rd 6 months అవుతుంది. ఈ 6 months లో చాలా ప్రచారం పొంది ఫుడ్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. వీఆర్ క్లాకింగ్ లైక్ చాలా నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్స్ క్రాక్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం చాలా మంచి పేరు కూడా తెచ్చుకోగలిగాము దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్ ఏరియాలో. సో క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్ వాళ్ళ అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఏంటి అంటే చిన్న యూనిట్ నుంచి 250 square feet యూనిట్ నుండి మనం మాక్సిమం ఒక రెస్టారెంట్ కి కావాల్సిన మొత్తం ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ లాగా మనం వర్కౌట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు రెస్టారెంట్ పెడితే రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ కాస్ట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఆపరేషన్స్ కాస్ట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఇనిషియల్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ కూడా చాలా హై ఉంటుంది. బట్ వేరాజ్ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్ మన క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఈస్ వెరీ లో.
తెలంగాణ బ్రాండ్ వంటలతో 6 నెలల్లోనే తిందూదా సక్సెస్ గా నడుస్తోంది. తన సంస్థలో గంట లేక రోజుకు ఇంత అని ఛార్జ్ చేసి వంట చేసుకుని ఆర్డర్లపై డెలివరీ చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉందని శ్రేయస్ రెడ్డి చెప్పారు. కాగా ఇక్కడ తయారు చేస్తున్న వంటకాలు బాగున్నాయని పలువురు భోజన ప్రియులు ఆనందం వ్యక్తం చేస్తున్నారు.
నేను స్విగ్గీ జొమాటోలో ఆర్డర్ చేస్తుందామని ఓపెన్ చేసి ఇక్కడ తిందూదా అని ఒక బ్రాంచ్ ఓపెన్ చేశారు తెలంగాణ కిచెన్ టైప్ లా. ఇక్కడ ఫుడ్ చాలా డిలిషియస్ గా ఉంది. ఒకసారి ఆర్డర్ చేసుకున్నాను, ఫుడ్ చాలా మంచిగా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ చూద్దామని వచ్చాను, రెస్టారెంట్ ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉంటుందో ఎలా ఉంటుందో అని చూద్దామని వచ్చాను. ఇక్కడ వచ్చి చూసే వరకు అంటే చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది. రెస్టారెంట్ మంచి నీట్ గా ఉంది, మంచి హైజీనిక్ ఫుడ్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫుడ్ ఆర్డర్ చేసినా కానీ 15 minutes లో తయారు చేస్తారు. షెఫ్స్ కూడా అన్ని అంత ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ షెఫ్స్ అందరు హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేశారంట.
నేను ఇక్కడ ఆన్లైన్లో ఆర్డర్ చేసిన తిందూదా కిచెన్లో ఫుడ్ చాలా బాగుంది. నచ్చి వచ్చాను, ఇక్కడ కిచెన్కి వచ్చాను, చూసి ఇక్కడ చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది కిచెన్, కానీ లోపలికి వెళ్ళి చూసి ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తే చాలా తొందరగా చేసి ఇస్తున్నారు, చాలా బాగా ఇస్తున్నారు.
బ్యూరో రిపోర్ట్, దూరదర్శన్ న్యూస్.
Yeah.
Fantastic, yeah. That's a really big achievement. Many people open, but to be able to be loved by your customers, to be able to clock numbers like 10 lakhs a month in less than 5 months, and also start off with the growth plans is all amazing. I'm sure it's a lot of enthusiasm and hard work from your side. And what is your advice to guys who are looking to start but are thinking twice? One. Number two, what's your advice to guys who already started off?
So I would say knowledge is the first one, sir. So knowledge, like even if you can't get knowledge from anywhere. You can read a lot of blogs about it. You can you can do whatever you want, but the kind of knowledge you get from this course is insane, I would say. So, and the network is one of it. And the guys who already are in the game, right? So for these people, the problem here is we might think we know everything, but now even if even when I'm clocking like 10 lakh sale every month, I go back to the course sometimes and look out for what could be the calculations. Whenever I have a question, right, I go back to the course. Now that I'm a part of advanced group as well, I have consultants. Even then I go back to the course and figure something out. So that is it, sir. That is it, I would say, for all the new starters and all the people who are already in the game.
Amazing story, Shreyas. Hearty congratulations to Tinduda, and wish you a lot more success and hope it becomes a pan-India brand.
Sure.
And I'll see you more often with other brands, with your brand coming up in different locations. And definitely you are an inspiration and an example to many of our own members, and also the whole lot of guys who are trying to start the business, that it is possible, that even if you're not from the background, you can learn, but with a lot of research. See, he said he's did a market research for about 3 to 4 months. That is critical. You do it all that, put it all together, and then put your heart into it, and then God's grace will come into play. And that is there, Tinduda in front of you as a great example. So all the very best to you, Shreyas, and look forward to you seeing other brands launch up too soon.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
So friends, I'm sure it would have been wonderful hearing the story of Tinduda and Shreyas Reddy. So if you have liked this story, like this food business that is built, do like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep knowing more about such success stories and more about the food business and how you can do it. As I told you, if you're interested in starting the business or growing your business profitably, if you've already started, there's a link in the description. Do click on it and join for a 2-hour session with me, where I'll delve deep into all aspects of the business that will take you from 0 to 100. Okay. So also in the link, we have given the Tinduda Insta link. So go ahead, like it, follow it, and keep abreast with what Shreyas is doing on the food front. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.